Good day everyone! In this video, we will discuss about solving exponential inequalities. Recall that an exponential inequality is an inequality that involves exponential expression, meaning for an expression to be an exponential inequality, then a variable should be present on the exponent and an inequality symbol is being used. Recall that our inequality symbols are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. In solving exponential inequality, remember these properties. If b is greater than 1, then the exponential function y equals b raised to x is increasing for all x. This means that b raised to x sub 1 greater than b raised to x sub 2 if and only if x sub 1 is greater than x sub 2. Another one, if b is greater than 0 but less than 1, then the exponential function y equals b raised to x is decreasing for all x. This means that b raised to x sub 1 greater than b raised to x sub 2 if and only if x sub 1 is less than x sub 2. Therefore, if we are dealing with exponential inequality, we should always consider the value of b before applying the one-to-one property. If b is greater than 1 and b raised to x sub 1 is greater than b raised to x sub 2, then it follows that x sub 1 is also greater than x sub 2. But if the value of b is greater than 0 but less than 1, then it follows that if b raised to x sub 1 is greater than b raised to x sub 2, then it means that x sub 1 will be less than x sub 2. Let us take an example. Solve the exponential inequality 3 raised to x plus 1 is less than 9 raised to x minus 2. From the given, notice that the bases are not equal. However, remember that 9 can be expressed with base of 3 because 9 is equal to 3 squared. So therefore, we will have 3 raised to x plus 1 is less than 3 squared raised to x minus 2. Since we have here power raised by another power, then we need to multiply the two exponents. So we will have 3 raised to x plus 1 is less than 3 raised to 2x minus 4. Since we now have the same bases and the base is greater than 1, then it follows that the exponents will follow the same inequality symbol. So we're gonna have x plus 1 is less than 2x minus 4. Solving for the value of x, we need to combine like terms. So we will have x minus 2x is less than negative 1 minus 4. Simplify the left side of the inequality and also the right side of our inequality. Then we will have negative x is less than negative 5. Dividing both sides by negative 1, remember that the rule in inequality, if you are dividing both sides of the equation by a negative number, you need to change the inequality symbol. Therefore, less than will become greater than. Finally, the values of x should be greater than 5. Let us take another example. Solve the exponential inequality 4 raised to 2x plus 7 is less than or equal to 32 raised to 2x minus 3. From the given, Notice that we have different bases, therefore, we need to write them using the same bases. Since we cannot express 32 with base of 4, it means that we need to change the two bases. Remember that 4 and 32 can be expressed with base of 2. 4 is equal to 2 squared and 32 is equal to 2 raised to 5. Therefore, our expression will be 2 squared raised to 2x plus 7 is less than or equal to 2 raised to 5 raised to 2x minus 3. Again, by applying the power rule, we need to multiply the exponents 2 times 2x plus 7 and 5 times 2x minus 3. So we will have 2 raised to 4x plus 14 is less than or equal to 2 raised to 10x minus 15. Since the bases now here are the same, then we can apply the one-to-one property. Moreover, since the value of the base is greater than 1, we will still be following the same inequality symbol. Therefore, we will have 4x plus 14 is less than or equal to 10x minus 15. In solving for the value of x, we need to combine similar terms. So we will have 4x minus 10x is less than or equal to negative 14 minus 15. Simplifying the left side and the right side, we will have negative 6x is less than or equal to negative 29. Again, to solve for the value of x, we need to divide both sides by negative 6. But since our divisor is again a negative number, we need to change the inequality symbol. Remember that it only happens when we divide both sides of the equation by a negative number. If it is a positive number, then you do not need to change the inequality symbol. So in this case, since we have negative 6 as our divisor, then less than or equal to will become greater than or equal to. Finally, the value of x is greater than or equal to 29 over 6. I hope that you have understood the lesson. For our next video, we will discuss about solving problems involving exponential functions. Thank you so much for listening and see you on our next discussion.